Guess what, Buttercup?
What's up?
We're staying a few more days.
Nice.
Yay.
I'll take it.
Welcome to the channel, guys. We're Mike and Joni with Those Who Glamp Together. We are here at the Gulf Shores, and we want to take you guys through the State Park Campground. And we're just going to do an e-bike tour. We got some e-bikes, and one nice thing about the Gulf Shores, the state park itself, it has 28 miles of paved trails. There's more trails than that, but the paved ones are 28 miles. And we want to take you guys through the state park and show you some campsites and how nice it is here. Made it over here to the first section, and we'll take you guys into one of the bathhouses, and we'll also show you a couple of the empty sites. We'll show you some of the really nice sites that would be well sought after. I'm seeing those water sites ahead of us. I'm thinking those are the ones everybody's going to want. I'm going to take you guys into a bathhouse just to show you what it looks like. Let me make sure nobody's in here. Nice and clean. Impressive.
So it seems to be a pretty big park, but it's a long park, not wide. So there's a main road right here. We're just going to ride down and show you what it looks like. All the sites are basically the same. They're fairly long. You got nice green space like this in between your spots, but they're all 50-30 and full hookup.
So far,
yeah, so far that we've seen. If we find any that are not, we'll let you know. It's our east to west family right there. You're wondering if the sites are long enough, that's a massive Class A. Still got room for the car in front. They're towed.
There's a bunch of them that are just all pull-throughs through here.
All right, so we got pickleball here. I see basketball courts, tennis courts. Actually, it looks like the basketball and tennis are all in one. They got the nets up, so you can shoot half court. Tennis, pickleball, and it looks like a pool right up here. Yeah, there's a pool. Looks like a big pool. Nice. Then you got access to the water here. Looks like some sort of an event center you could do something here with. There's a nature center right here. Yeah, I saw that. They've got playground back here in the back, right over here. I see swing sets anyway, and some monkey bars. So yeah, this is the place to hang out during the day.
I want to take you guys into the camp store, give you a peek of that, but this is the pavilion. It's really nice. There's some laundry right over here. Let's go in and see what it looks like. Also going to take you guys into the swimming pool area, show you what that looks like.
Alright, so we're going through sections 199 to 223. And there's more water sites back here, so. This is 293, not 223. Sorry, if you wanted to go right, it'd be 201 to 228. Keep on coming back. And we got more water sites. We're gonna make a left here, so you got water like 220, 233 right here is empty, right on the water. And all these are back ends. I don't know how long these back ends are, but you can see here it's got these Class A's. I bet they're every bit of 40 foot. 40 foot Class A's, no problems. Just park in front. Yeah, Brinkley is probably a 35 footer. Yep. North Point's probably 39 foot, 40 foot. You got plenty of room back here. Tag axle Dutch Star, probably 45 foot. Still room. So this is a very nice state park, I have to say. I will say one thing I've noticed is they're pretty level here. It looks like just a couple of people got their campers on blocks, but it looks fairly level. So that's pretty good for a campground like this. Tent sites right here in the back. See, you can park right here. All these primitive sites right here in the back. Site 501. Your own private little walkway to it. And they actually have fire pits. Yeah. So this is tent camping here, 501 to 50, well, this whole row looks like 509, 501 to 509, all tent sites. Which I will say, in the summer in this place, I imagine that would be brutal, but this time of year, at the New Year's time, this is perfect weather to camp. This is like Ohio's fall weather camping. You get down here in the winter, so it's pretty sweet. So we get back to a section, and it's like 453s right here, but on both sides you have those pull-throughs. Both sides of the road. And it goes all the way down to a turnaround, I believe. Pretty sweet. I like these pull-throughs. If I was to camp here, I'd pick one of these pull-throughs for sure. Like it a lot. So now we just got to figure out how to get back to our trail to get back to our campground. Get more bougie in us.
Yeah.
This is a great campground though.
But if you want a little boozy.
You want a little boozy.
I'm a little boozy. You gotta check out Sun Outdoors.
Yeah. But this state park, class. It is very nice.
Some call it class.
Class. Yeah, it's got class. Really nice state park.
Going to share with folks what we're doing.
Well, this is kind of a traditional New Year's Day meal, sauerkraut and pork. So I'm going to get the pork ready so we can use that already nice bacon grease to fry it off, and then we'll put it in a crock pot.
It's a small crock pot, but it's going to have to work.
I'm sure they'll fit.
Maybe we'll just do half the batch. Because we got how many pounds?
I can make them.
Almost 3
Put
pounds.
half of the kraut on the bottom, put the meat in, put half the kraut on top.
Okay. Well, I do know this sauerkraut requires a little bit of sugar. We're making a meal that Mike's mom always makes us in the beginning of the year. We used to always go down on the 1st of every year and have sauerkraut and pork. These are pork spare ribs. Mike's preparing them to saute in some bacon grease. We're preparing some sauerkraut, and it'll all just kind of cook together as the day goes. So we used a little bit of Kerrygold butter in there because we didn't really have enough bacon grease. We're gonna let them brown off. Now, just out of curiosity, do you guys do anything that's tradition, like the New Year's with pork and sauerkraut, or is there anything that you guys do? We'd kind of be curious to know.
Yeah, what your traditions are.
Maybe it's something that we could.
I don't even remember when this started. I don't remember this as a kid with my mom and dad.
But I know
It
that
may have been, but I just don't remember.
it's something that we always look forward to every year. So sauerkraut, pork, and then mashed potatoes was always the core of the food rolls. I mean, it was a whole big, huge meal.
Yeah.
So if you're not real sure where Georgia Bama is,
It's not Georgia Bama.
or no, it's Flora Bama.
Flora Bama.
We're gonna head over and grab dinner at another
Flora Bama
grill. So we're gonna head over to see something different. Looks like it's gonna be a nice sunset tonight. The sunshine is warm.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can't no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away, yeah. You'll always be my heart, my life. Every second, every day.